स्कूल हमारा
एक अंग्रेजी स्पीच पेश करने के लिए शबरोज बानो दर्जा शशुब आवाज जिंदगी आए और एक अंग्रेजी स्पीच पेश करें। शबरोज बानो।
नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। My respected elders and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My topic is about importance of time. Time is the very important. It is precious. It is one of the best factor. This is thing which is never wait for anyone. So there is a proverb, time and tide wait for none. Time once gone is gone forever. So intelligence use it in right way. We all know that everything grow in time and born in time and decay in time. So if you achieve your goal, success, you will have to save the time. If you kill the time, so time will kill you. Someone said money is the very important than time. But I am saying time is the very important than money. Because if money is lost, you can earn again. But if time is lost, you cannot earn again. So we should not waste even a single moment. We should use our time in meaningfully. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह, सुपर।